Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying firmware and device software because small updates can fix audio quirks. Once done, charge both Airpods and the case to avoid power-related distortion. Disconnect and forget the Airpods in Bluetooth settings, then repair to clear cached profiles. This clears misconfigured codecs and forces a fresh handshake. Make sure to perform these steps close to the source device, with other Bluetooth devices off. That minimizes interference and sets a clean baseline for the tuning ahead. Next, you optimize codecs and EQ because they directly change signal quality. On Apple devices, ensure AAC is prioritized. On Android with aptX, enable it in developer options. Then open the EQ and choose a preset or build a gentle custom curve. Boost low end by 13 dB, reduce muddy midrange slightly. Once done, switch spatial audio depending on content. Move is benefit, casual music often loses punch. Finally, test with a few high-quality tracks to compare differences. Finish by optimizing physical fit and validating results, since seal affects perceived bass and clarity. Try all eardip sizes. A proper seal increases low-frequency response and passive isolation. Clean the mesh and drivers gently, oils and lint dull highs. Then run final checks. Listen to left/right balance, try another device, and toggle features like noise control. If problems persist, reset again and test different source outputs. If one ear stays quiet, inspect for debris or contact support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.